Welcome to Extend Office channel. This guide will walk you through the process of designing and saving a custom letterhead template in Word. Create a letterhead BT using header and footer. Open a new document in Word. Navigate to Insert tab. Click Header drop-down. Choose a design that fits your style. In this case, we choose blank. Insert your logo by going to the Header/Footer tab and selecting Pictures. And locate a folder to choose your logo, then click Insert button to insert it. Resize and position it appropriately within the header. Add your company name and contact information. Click the layout options to modify the picture's layout for better display. If you want to show more information, you also can insert a footer to display it. Navigate to Insert tab, click Footer drop-down. Select blank. Then type the contents or insert the graphics you need. A simple letterhead template has been created. If you have an image designed for the header which includes the company logo and necessary information, you can directly import it to the header like this. Create a letterheader by using shapes and pictures. Open a new document. Before you start drawing shapes, make sure to reveal the header line first. This helps you position your shapes accurately within the header area to avoid any interference with the body text during editing. Double-click at the top of the document to show the header line. Click the Insert tab and go to the Shapes drop-down. Choose the shapes you want. Then draw, locate, and resize them. To rearrange the stacking order of pictures, right-click on a picture and choose either Bring to Front or Send to Back from the context menu. Click Insert tab, select Text box, Simple Text box. Then remove the contents in the text box, and make sure the cursor is in it. Click Insert tab, click Pictures, this device, and select a logo image from a folder, click Insert button. Then format the text box border by clicking on it and go to the Shape Format tab, clicking Shape Outline drop-down, then choosing No Outline. Also, add a text box to place the company information. For formatting the text, select them and go to the Home tab, and customize them in the font group as you need. If you have some information such as social media, you can add them to the footer area. Insert a text box within the footer. Click Insert tab, select Pictures, Online Pictures, and search the pictures you want and click Insert to insert it. Remove the text box outline. Now the letterhead template is created. Save a letterhead template. Once your letterhead design is complete, please save it to a template by following steps. Click File tab. Click Save As, Browse. Name the template. And choose Word Template from the drop-down menu. After you define the file name and type, it will automatically switch to the default folder where Office custom templates are stored. Click Save button. Now the letterhead template is saved. Use your personal template. Click File tab. Click New. Click on Personal in the right section. All your custom templates are displayed. Select one as you need. Find your template folder. If you need to locate or manage your templates, do as these. Click File tab. Select Options. In the Word Options dialog box, select Save. Under Save Documents, look for the path listed in the default Personal Templates location. This is where your templates are stored.